let's introduce our Wi-Fi samples. This is the switches. Okay, this is the application for mobile phone. We'll log it in. Okay, we can see on the device list is input. We config. Here, please input your Wi-Fi name and password to log in. Okay. Press search. It will search out all the switches here. Okay, it's done. Now we can see all the switches is listed on here. We can remote control it on phone. We also can control it one by one. At this log, it shows as local. It means we remote control the switches at home with same Wi-Fi area. Okay, this for nights, and curtain, dimmer, fine. And we can turn on or off the dimmer. We also can sleep this bar. Okay, we can create room as you want. For example, room 1. Okay. We can under switches on the room and the device. Okay. Then we can operate the switch. Okay, this switch will be entered to this room. Stop. You will see here is one light is on, and then this room is one switch. Press this button, it will turn off all the lights at this room. Turn on, off. We also can set scene and scene. Okay, we input name. For example, sleeping. Okay. Edit thing. Okay. All the devices will list on here. You just tick behind it. For example, this on, the others is off. Okay, sure. Okay, it will show why here is 5 switches. Okay, you can see the light is on, the rest is off. You can add things as more as you need. Okay, press this button. It will show the functions. For example, time switch, lock device, change icon, delete device. Show this function. It means you can set for group time to time this switch. Okay, on, repeat. Maybe we can turn it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on. Okay, and then you can, for example, because this is 3-gun switch, you can see 3 light here, 1, 2, 3. For example, light 1, light 2. We need it repeat on 8 o'clock. It's okay. Sure. Okay. We can lock the device. After lock the device, the other mobile phone cannot search out this device anymore. And change icon. You can choose the image from your album. On here, you can share the device data to other mobile phone, so the other mobile phone can receive data from your mobile phone and don't need to reset what switch anymore. Then it's okay.